Got one on it?
Yeah, there's one on there, Blair. Definitely. Pretty decent one, too. He's right on the right-hand side over there. You got him?
Yeah, I see him right here.
Okay, yeah, he's right there. He's perfect spot, Blair. Nice. Beautiful cast, brother.
They usually jump on it right away. Is he coming out on it?
Yeah, he's coming out on it.
Come on, baby, eat it.
Are you kidding me? Come on, babe. Let's go. It won't hurt, but just for a second. He is staring it down. There he goes.
There he is.
Good job, Blair. Nice triple tail.
That might be dinner, huh?
Yes, sir. Ooh, little aerial triple tail. You want me to grab a net or just grab him?
We can just grab him. He don't even know he's hooked yet.
No, he hasn't started giving it to you yet, has he? It's amazing how strong these fish are.
I know, and you never know how they're gonna fight.
Some of them do what this guy did, and some of them just dig right sideways and go straight down.
Well, he just jumped up a second ago. Well, welcome to this episode of Addictive Fishing. As you can see, it is absolutely blowing out here today. We're turning a cobia trip into a triple tail trip because it's blowing too much out there. So we're gonna show you how to catch triple tail today. Y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna show you something here.
It's amazing how good that prehistoric beast tastes too.
Yes, it is. Well, they do nothing but sit there and eat shrimp all day.
They've got a very selective and a very good diet.
I think he might be wore out.
I think he's ready to go.
Got him?
I believe I
Cool
do.
beans.
Oh, sorry.
He liked that DOA shrimp.
He swallowed it, didn't he?
Yes,
Took a little coaxing?
Yes, he did. That, folks, is called a triple tail. One reason they call it a triple tail is because it has these three, almost looks like tail fins back here, but and they use all three of them to pull on your line. But absolutely a great eating fish. Don't know what else I can say about him except he's going to dinner tonight. What do you think?
I think he's going to fit perfect on one of those conch house plates.
Yeah, and when you're unhooking these guys, if you see right here, these are worse than a snook's gill plates. If you see those right there, if he flipped right now, he'd slice my finger open. You see those jagged little edges? That's why you need some good old cigar fluorocarbon to keep those dudes from breaking your line. So let's get him unhooked. You can let go now. He's looking at me like my dog does when I scold him.
Yep.
Oh, and they can bite too. I've had them bite pogies in half.
That was an awesome bite. You had to coax him just right. The way he came off of there after it, he looked at it for a long time.
Yeah, there we go. Just a little DOA shrimp, make it look like the shrimp that they like to eat a lot. You can come out here with Jason and catch you a triple tail on a blowing day off of St. Augustine.
Nice.
Let's put him in the cooler, huh?
Nice job, Blair.